In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable email notifications in Hostinger. If you've been receiving too many email alerts from your Hostinger account and you want to reduce the number of messages coming into your inbox, this is a very quick setting to change. The good news is that you can do it in just a few clicks once you're logged into your account. To get started, look toward the top right corner of the Hostinger dashboard. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on that profile icon to open your account menu. This is where you'll find different personal and account-related settings, including the notification options we need for this tutorial. After the menu opens, click on Notification Settings. This will take you to the section where Hostinger lets you control how you receive updates and alerts from the platform. If you manage websites, hosting, or other services inside Hostinger, this is the place where you can decide which types of notifications should reach you and how they should be delivered. Once you're on the Notification Settings page, you'll see a column with a checkbox for email. This checkbox controls whether notifications are sent to your email address. If you want to stop receiving those email notifications, simply uncheck the email box. As soon as you uncheck it, that's it. You've disabled email notifications for that setting. It's a very simple change, but it can make a big difference if you want a cleaner inbox and prefer not to get frequent updates by email. One helpful thing to keep in mind is that disabling email notifications only affects how those alerts are delivered. Depending on your account and settings, you may still be able to view important updates directly inside the Hostinger dashboard. So if you still want to stay informed without getting emails, checking your account notifications manually from time to time can be a good idea. Also, before leaving the page, take a quick moment to make sure the checkbox is actually unchecked the way you want it. That helps confirm the change has been applied properly, and that's all you need to do to disable email notifications in Hostinger. Just click your profile icon in the top right corner, open Notification Settings, and uncheck the email checkbox. Quick, simple, and done.